What's up, everybody? Kyle here. It's been a while since we've done a video, but we got a pretty exciting new project to share with you guys. It's our Bentsai TIJ printer. So TIJ stands for thermal inkjet. That means we use an HP cartridge. This is a single head unit, super easy to set up. Comes with all this hardware you see here and the cables, for your power supply, your photo eye, your print head. Even comes with some other cool features that you don't see with all the units out there, right? So you get these additional mounting kits for your photo cell, just in case you don't want to use the inline unit, because it does have a built-in inline unit. Let's go ahead and turn this unit on. All right, so we started up the unit and we're getting a warning, it says ink cartridge not installed. That's because our ink cartridge is here. So we're gonna go ahead and just clear that. This is our home screen. So we've got a few options here. Edit, that's how we can go into the message templates. Management, that's how we manage our messages. Settings, so go ahead and go in there so you can take a peek. So we got a whole bunch of settings here on the left-hand side. Print settings. So you got resolution, so it's a 600 dpi unit. You can select which nozzles it uses. You can add a print delay. You can change your direction. Internal sensor. You also have the options for an external sensor and independent induction. Speed setting, how you can trigger. Also the options for like a continuous print mode, repetitive print mode. This would be like if you're using a encoder and you want to print every 3 inches. Some modifications you could do to the ink. Don't really need that. Port, tone, power. So some cool features in here. Maintenance, so in here we've got nozzle clean, so this would purge our nozzle. We can add some intervals in here so that it will spray ink so it does not dry up. And that's important because this cartridge we have here is a solvent cartridge. And what tends to happen is when you have this seal off, you tend to end up getting some dry solvent on this, and then it blocks the function so nothing can come out. So it is good to keep it wet. So there's some test prints and stuff like that in there. USB disk, we don't have one in there right now, and we have some network settings we can get into. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna snap the cartridge in. Got our cartridge, take this off. We're gonna open this up. He's yelling at me, he's basically saying, hey, the lid's open. That's okay. We wanna load this in here, and then clamp them down. Simple as that. So if you hear that noise, that's the conveyor in the background. We're gonna go to edit, and we're just gonna start making a message. It's real simple, just click up here. We're gonna go add. Add a test print. So we got a 1/2 inch. We don't really want a 1/2 inch. We're gonna change this to 5 millimeters. As you can see, it got much smaller. We'll bold that. All right, let's add, let's go ahead and add a timestamp. Perfect. For expiration, let's just add 365, so we're gonna give it a year offset. Confirm. Okay, and we're gonna do the same thing. So I didn't change the font size. We gotta press edit, and we gotta press modify. Font, and we'll do the same thing. We'll go down to 5 millimeters. Confirm. Beautiful. So if we want to start printing this one right away, we're just going to press print, and we will feed a box there. Wow. Because we bumped into the unit, it didn't really like that. Plus we need to add a little bit of a delay. Easy things to fix. So we'll go ahead and cancel this. And we need to go into our settings again. So Direction was good, speed was good, but our delay was no good. So we want this thing, I mean, it basically printed right away. We want to give it more of a delay. Let's try to hit the middle of the box. So we're gonna say, I don't know, let's say it's about 6 inches, so 150 millimeters roughly. Go ahead. All right. We're gonna flip this case over and send them through. And there we are. Some of it ended up on the box, on the tape, and a little bit ended up on the box. So what we really wanted to do here was to show you how easy this unit is to use, to set up, and to get running on your production line. So you may have noticed I'm using a test stand. This is easy for me, just setting something up quickly on demos, but this unit mounts really easily to anything. There's some slotted features here to make it really workable for you.